Okay, so hopefully this is where we're all at now. And if you want to profile outside, I've just noticed I've turned the camera on accidentally. Don't want to restart the video, so we go with it. In machine here, I want to go to machine. So first of all, I want to change the view and explain what I'm doing. So I want to cut outside of this green rectangle. So I want to cut outside of this rectangle, and I want to be able to remove all of that blue material left. So what I do in AlphaCam is machine, tool directions, select clockwise and outside, and pick that green rectangle profile and select close. So you're telling the machine to cut outside of that profile, not to cut in it. Now select tool. I'm going to pick a 16 millimeter end mill if I can find one. So a flat 16. Doesn't matter which one at the moment. Yep, flat 16. And you can see that's what that looks like there. Now, the operation we do to finish this off is a roughing followed by a finish. So in here, it's going to be a general rough. It's operation number 6. All of this is okay. Levels and cuts is what we're going to change. So safe rapid level, don't want that to be 0 or it's going to hit the part. Change that to 4, wrap it down to 4. Our material top is 0, so we're cutting from 0 down to minus. Let's maybe double check the sheet. Yeah, minus 6 here. I don't want to do that in one cut. It's too much material. It's going to break my part. I'm going to do it in 6 different passes. And I want it to be a finish as well. So I want to leave 0.5 mil of stock. And I want to come back and clear that in 2 different cuts. And select initial stock is, sorry, I think it's 10 here. And that's just the stock that was left from previous cuts. Sometimes you just increase that, otherwise there's little bits left in the corners over here. So, okay. Now select that inside rectangle, click finish, and you can see all of those various cut lines appearing. So it's going to be looping around this thing 8 times in total to give us the finish that we need. Now if I run a quick simulation, record timing, so we're used to that facing operation. We hopefully are well used to peg drilling and drilling. We have a small bit of proof or pocketing, 2 cuts here, circular pocket, and now see that outside, it's passing around 8 times, remove material each time, and giving us that cut